When designing an AI smile using the SmileFrame, you gain full control to adjust and personalize every aspect of the smile. Start by defining the smile curves, proportions, and tooth height to match the patient's unique anatomy and aesthetic needs. When adjusting the width slider, the SmileFrame visually shows which proportions fit within the patient's natural biological limits. It helps you better understand the overall smile design and clearly indicates the available space between the distal canines on the left and right sides, ensuring a harmonious and anatomically accurate outcome. Next, select a template that serves as the foundation for your design, then customize it using the AI tools to refine shapes, alignments, and details. By combining the highest level of technology with your clinical expertise, you can create a natural, functional, and highly aesthetic smile tailored to each patient.